Have you ever wondered how your favorite chocolate bar gets from the factory all the way to your hand? Well, that journey is called the supply chain, and the people who make sure it arrives on time are working in logistics management. It's like a magical delivery race, but with serious planning behind the scenes. What is supply chain management? Definition: supply chain management is the process of getting a product from where it's made to where it's needed at the right time and cost. Think of it like a treasure map. The factory is where the treasure starts. It travels through warehouses, trucks, ships, and stores until it finally lands in your shopping bag. It's not just about delivery. It includes planning, making, moving, and selling products. Famous quote: "You can't sell anything if you can't deliver it." Beth Comstock. What is logistics management? Definition: logistics is the part of the supply chain that deals with transporting, storing, and delivering goods safely and quickly. Imagine ordering a pizza. The restaurant makes it. A rider picks it up. GPS helps him find your house. And boom, pizza at your door. That's logistics in action. In businesses, it means picking the fastest route, choosing the best packaging, making sure products don't get lost or damaged. Why is it important? Without supply chain and logistics, grocery stores would run out of food. Hospitals wouldn't get medicines. Online shopping wouldn't exist. It helps companies save money, keep customers happy, beat the competition. Example: Amazon delivers millions of items every day, fast and cheap. Why? Because they have one of the world's best logistics systems. Key steps of supply chain. Here's a quick look at how a product travels. Planning: what to make and how much. Sourcing: where do we get raw materials? Manufacturing: making the product. Warehousing: storing it safely. Delivery: shipping it to stores or homes. Return: what if the customer returns it? That's the full circle. So next time you open a box from your favorite store, remember, dozens of people, trucks, machines, and plans work together to get it to you. Supply chain and logistics management is the invisible hero behind every successful business. Motivational quote: behind every great product is a great supply chain. Unknown. Subscribe to this channel if you want to learn more about how the world of business works. See you next time.